Kylie, I'm trying to figure out why you got these boots on, sis.
Going outside.
Oh gosh, he said get y'all some socks or maybe some house shoes. You went and got total full-on boots, sis. Oh my gosh. She's always trying to. Baby, is your knees ashy?
Yeah.
You need some lotion. So do y'all like y'all room?
Yes, and I like the bathroom.
In the bathroom. Well, mommy's about to get ready to cook some, okay?
What?
Alright, let me go to the kitchen. Babe, I just want to say I'm grateful for you.
What?
Because you are cleaning. Like, you are not playing any games right now.
No.
You are straight up, like, he's over here cleaning, y'all. Because our couch, yeah, our couch is coming today between 1 and 3. And he is really clean. And I appreciate you, babe. You better sweep that floor, Mr. Ramsey. You better sweep that floor. You better sweep that floor, sir. Okay, y'all. Well, that was just a little sidebar. Back to me cooking. All right. All right, you guys. So we just got our sofa. And as you can see, the carpet was supposed to be white, but it's cream. And I'm not 100% sure if I like it or not. Like, we haven't put up any pictures because we wanted to see how the couch was going to look. But I really like this. Then the other night, I didn't vlog it, but Ronald and I bought this from IKEA. And we actually put that together. We bought those 2 plants the other day from IKEA. That's a plant that I've already had. We mounted TVs. That little bracket, that white thing that you see going, that's hiding the cables. We bought that from IKEA. Then, room is still a mess a little bit, but at least we got our bed squared away. And we got our sheets and everything. And then we also put this together the other day. And I decided to not, originally we were going to get everything white. But I was like, the white was on back order. And so I was like, well, maybe we need something with a little bit of color or something like that. So we got that. Oh, you guys, I have to tell you guys about these hangers. They had to do a reorder for these hangers. These are black velvet hangers to go into our closet. Y'all, Amazon has been messing up my packages lately. They actually had to reship me out a replacement because the other one got lost. Because the person came to the gate, did not get in, and they left with my stuff. And that's like the 3rd or 4th time I've lost stuff on Amazon. So I'm sick of it. But yeah, so now I can hang up these clothes and kind of like get everything squared away in the bedroom. Now, I'm so excited, you guys, because also I have some new stuff for my boutique. And I'm really excited about these pieces. I have to take pictures for them this week so I can go ahead and post them on the site and sell them for you guys. So, yeah, I'm really excited about these new 4 pieces that I got. So yeah, that's basically what we're doing today. It is like a really chill day. We also got a dining set. Where are they in the closet? Okay. Well, I'm trying to vlog, but Ronald has me doing labor and stuff. So let's see. All right. Ooh, that's kind of bright. But yeah, he said get him another one of those towels, microfiber towel, so that he can finish cleaning up the table. But yeah, so basically we're just cleaning up. My mom is supposed to come later. I'm fixing dinner. And Ronald is cleaning out the table, and this is the table we decided to get. And all the furniture came from Rooms to Go. Couch Rooms to Go, rug Rooms to Go, IKEA, and the dresser in the room's IKEA, and then we got a new mattress from Rooms to Go. So I'm so happy because we are almost out of the stage of moving, and next thing is just getting everything else set up. So yeah, you guys, I'm tired. I'm not gonna lie. These last couple of days have been kind of on the rough side. But we are almost all the way moved in.
Daddy.
Space bar.
You telling me to hit space bar?
Thank you, Mommy. It's so good. I like it. I like it. Thank you. And the soft rug, I like it.
You like the rug? Mommy's actually gonna take this rug back.
Cause you're worried about like we might take toys in here and then like we're gonna get it all in the carpet.
No, actually it was supposed to be white and it's cream. So it doesn't match. You having fun?
Yeah, like on the snow.
Like in the snow? Y'all are just goofy. This couch. We don't want the couch to get dirty.
Yeah, the couch is gonna be dirty.
What do you mean? No, it's not. That's what we're saying. We're trying to avoid it from being dirty. You just go swim in it.
Guys, I know how to swim, but I don't know how to go underwater. I did how to swim. We need the long ways to
Okay, y'all. So I'm about to finish cooking dinner, and I got some. Ron went to the store and got some rice. Put a little butter with it. No, I don't need it. Got my pots and everything like that. But I just wanted to say something. You know, this dude over here took the rice and put it all the way at the top of the cabinet. Now, as y'all can see, I'm too short. I am too short. So he better be happy I bought this step stool just for stuff like this. But he knew I was cooking today. So why would you take it and put it all the way up here? Like, why? You knew I was about to cook. You knew this. And he over here on the phone, don't care about me. Don't care about what I'm saying. Bruh.
What's up? What's up? Don't listen to none of what she's saying. She knows not what she's talking about.
I know what I'm talking about. So I'm about to get ready to cook this rice, y'all. Let's go. All right, so everybody is eating my food.
It's good. Taste it.
Tastes good.
It tasted with the green beans. It's really good.
Yeah, with the spinach. Yeah, even Cadence is over here eating. She chowing down. And I'm about to sit right over there and eat my food. So I'm happy that dinner was a success. We got one more taster of the food. And we should be good to go. Yum, yum, yum.
I ate all my spinach.
Yes, you ate all your spinach. Good job.
Test.
Good and good. All right, y'all. So my mama made it. Say hi, mama. Say hey, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
And guess what? She likes my food too.
I love it. I came especially to visit and have the turkey legs. I love it.
Have you tasted the green?
Yes, the spinach is delicious.
It's good with the rice.
It's really good. My favorite rice too.
Red rice.
Jasmine rice?
Bosnia.
Oh, Bosnia rice. Okay, it's good.
Basmati. Something around about basmati. Yeah, basmati.
It's delicious.
Yeah, so mission accomplished. I cooked dinner, straightened up, cleaned and everything. The next thing is we're gonna get Nana to play Black Card Revoke game.
Oh, okay.
All right, so let's let her finish eating.
Bye, YouTube.
If someone puts their hand up on your hip, what is the appropriate response?
Put your hand down.
No, Mom. If someone puts their hand up on your hip,
On my hip?
yes.
I'll hit the hand and get it off.
Oh gosh.
You can't do this.
Oh my. I put my hand up on your hip. When I dip, you dip, we dip.
That's not
The
from my
song-
area.
That's not